guys, so today we're going to be playing with the Karity Nudes and Rudes palette. It's one of my favorites, and I recently saw an article that Karity is now going to be available in CVS stores, which is awesome. This way it's much easier. You can just go to CVS and get it. So I'm going to play with the Nudes and Rudes palette. I think this is a great palette. It has matte and shimmer, and it's actually a lot of cool tone colors, which is kind of my jam. So that's what we're going for today. I feel like it's a great fall and winter palette to me because it just has so many, or if you're just used to wearing more like smoky, deep, jewel toned type of looks, I feel like it's something you'll enjoy. So we're going to start off with, and I've been going back and forth, but I'm doing the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in Custard, which is a little light for me. I feel like sometimes, like, I know I'm pale, but sometimes I think I'm like way paler than I actually am. Anyways, so I'm putting this on like the center of my face. Oh, I hate when I get makeup on myself. And sorry, that's my like frustrated face from getting foundation on my black LuLaRoe leggings, which has happened multiple times. I should wear like, I don't know, a cape. No, a cape wouldn't help. An apron. An apron would help. Anyways, this is my super full coverage makeup routine that I have really been doing every single day lately. I don't know why. It's like I'm either makeupless or I'm doing this, and it's just super full coverage. It does oxidize, I think I say that later, a little bit, so it does really kind of change to the color of my skin a little bit better. But I don't know. I've been enjoying the full coverage lately, and that's just what I've been rocking, so it is what it is, peeps.
Hello, beauties.
I hope you enjoyed Sean's little thing there. So now I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder, which is just sort of setting my makeup, but also giving me a little more coverage in my T-zone, which gets oily, and that makeup tends to wear off a little sooner than in other places. Alright, so our foundation is done. So I'm going to continue with just my face makeup, and I'm going to do my bronzer slash contour. I kind of have like really just like loyal products that I like to use that I feel like are like flattering and affordable, last a good amount of time, and those are just what I stick to. I do like to try new things, but it's hard when you have like certain products that you just really like, you know? Like, I don't want to be doing the same thing every video, but at the same time, like, I don't want to try all this new stuff and then have it be like a waste because I don't end up liking it. You know? All right. I do wish I had thicker brows. My sister has really nice ones. She never really like plucked them much during the 90s, and I did. One of the many masterful things I decided to do. Anyways, hers are really nice and just kind of like naturally on the thicker side. Not crazy, but a little bit. They look really nice. Okay, I have been doing a bit of Tea Rose Milani blush. Again, not a lot, but just a little bit on the cheeks. I feel like as summer is ending and fall is here, it looks nice to have a little bit more pink in my cheeks, on my skin. I know I don't always use blush. I feel like through summer I pretty much don't because I just use bronzer, but I do like blush. I'm just really picky. Okay, I think I want to use Nell and Smooth. So Nell is like a maroon, and then Smooth is kind of like a cool toned brown as my like neutral shade on my lid. So I'm going to go in with like a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M573, so just a big fluffy eyeshadow brush, and go a little bit in Nell, a little bit in Smooth, and just start putting that all over the lid. Just kind of mapping out the shape that I want. So I just keep blending those two colors and just keep buffing it in. I want it strongest toward my lash line, but with my hooded eyes, and this sort of a really blended out look, I want it, you know, really spread out. It looks best that way with my eye shape, and I have like so much space between my eyes and my brows. I just do. I've got I'm so used to my own face, but I know that that's not a normal amount of space. Alright, sorry. I'm having a weird day. Okay. Then I'm going to take those two colors that we've been using, Nail and Smooth, and I'm going to put them on my finger because I feel like that's the easiest way to put them onto my lower lash line and buff them in. I do lower lash line eyeshadow in the place of lower lash line mascara. It just doesn't look good on me. It really closes off my eyes, and they're kind of small anyway, so I feel like this is a great way to get definition on the lower lash line, but not, you know, really cut the eyes off and make it very like drastic looking. Looking at the shimmer shades, so I'm trying to figure out, I think I'm gonna go in with either Vera or Brit. You know what? I don't want to decide. Okay, so for this, I'm actually just going to use my fingertip, and I'm going to dip into Brit, and then I'm going to dip into Vera, and then I'm going to tap this onto my lid. So these colors are dark, but they have shimmer to them, and then I'm just kind of pressing it in, and I am going upwards as well. I know sometimes they say not to do shimmer shades on whatever. You know how I feel about people giving me advice on my eyeshadow. I can mind their business and then do what I want. This is just such a pretty fall eye. Let's do eyeliner. So I'm going in with NYX retractable liner in, oh, this is a fresh one. I haven't even used it yet. In black. None of those complicated names. Just doing wow, that's really like smooth and has really good color payoff. I like this one. So I'm trying to go right against my lash line and literally just, I don't do wings. Oh, I like that. So nice, not taking much away from my lid space because it's few and far between. And I am actually winging it out at the end there. My least favorite thing about doing eyeliner, because I really actually do enjoy doing eyeliner, my biggest complaint is that we have two eyes, so you have to make them match, and sometimes that's just not going to happen all that easily, and that frustrates me. An e.l.f. small angled brush, and just, yeah, just sort of smudge out the end of it. Just kind of, it just softens it. I feel like it just softens it and makes it look a little nicer. So I'm just doing that to the end portion. I'm going to test out the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara in black. Let's try e.l.f. This is Blushing Rose. This is their liquid matte lipstick. I really like this. So I would like to add some liner. I've noticed as I have gotten older, I prefer having lip liner. So I'm going to use Magnetic Mauve, which is one of the Maybelline Color Sensational ones. Oh, I like this, guys. Fall is here. So I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching, and please ask me any questions.